What's up, everybody? Today we're gonna be making some awesome crispy line. I actually don't know what I'm saying. We're making some wings today, guys, but not just any wings. We're making party wings. These things are packed with flavor. They're finished off in the air fryer, so they're nice and crispy. Man, whenever we make these, I eat the whole batch. Let's do this. Ooh, I love chicken wings, and it's all about the spices. We're gonna hit this up with some olive oil, some hot sauce, a little bit of tang from the mustard, coconut aminos, and a bunch of different spices. I can't wait. We start off with a tablespoon of oregano, a teaspoon of cayenne, a half of a tablespoon of cumin, half a tablespoon of pepper, it's black pepper, half a tablespoon of salt, give it 1 tablespoon of garlic, half of a tablespoon of paprika, give it a little bit more of a mix, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, starting to add our wet ingredients, 2 tablespoons of coconut aminos. If you're on SCD, make sure you're in remission. This is SCD advanced. Then hit it up with 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard. That just gives it a nice kind of a tang to it. Half of a tablespoon of sesame seed oil, and then 2 tablespoons of hot sauce. I love Frank's Red Hots. Mix that baby up. Then we're gonna grab about 2 pounds of chicken wings and just give it the old toss. I like to use a little bit of gloves here and just hand toss this. Make sure the sauce spreads all over, nice and even, coats everything up. Now, the next part is super easy. I mean, you get your baking sheet out, you want to lay out a little bit of parchment paper, and you just start laying out all of your chicken wings. Make sure they're spread evenly. And we're gonna finish it off with some honey. This just gives it a nice little extra sweetness, gives it a bold color. Absolutely love it. You're gonna cook that at 350 for about 20 minutes. It comes out looking phenomenal, but we're not done here. We wanna make these nice and crispy. So what we do is we finish these off in the air fryer. You could also finish them off in the oven in like a high broil. You just have to make sure you watch it because a couple minutes and they'll burn. Take these bad boys out of the air fryer and they're looking good. We top this a little bit of green onion to taste and go to town. As always, we appreciate your time in watching our video. We hope you like and subscribe. Leave us a comment, let us know what you think, and we hope to catch you for the next one. Thanks.